Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, my brother are here at the airport and we have a special video for you guys today. So the video today is we're going to check the lowest low life can actually go, because here in my town we have a sunshine coming up and we're just testing out everything to see how low life can go. So yeah, long story short, let's begin and start the video. So few of you guys know that my car have A1 coilovers in that I bought at ShabaMags. ShabaMags is based in Cape Town. I will leave his details down in the description. So what we'll do now is we'll remove the wheels, take out the coilovers and remove the spring from the coilover. If you don't know how to remove or to install coilovers, check out my video on how to install coilovers. I will also leave the details down in the description. So I will quickly put you guys in a time lapse. But before we start, I just want to show you guys the current height of the car. So yeah. So guys, we are done low with the car on this side, as you can see here. And now me and my brother are busy on the other side of the car. So we will not show you how we do all the stuff on this side. I think it will be a little bit too boring. But if you still don't know how to install or to remove coilovers, just check on my video of how to install coilovers. I will leave the details down in the description. But dang, the car is pretty low on this side. Don't know if you guys can see here. Here's the back. So yeah. So guys, we are done with the car. As you can see, the car is pretty low. Let me just show you guys around the car. Guys, please note that the car is not drivable. It is just for showing signs because the engine is scraping on the ground. So yeah, let me quickly put you guys on cinematics on how the car looks. I just want to show you guys how the car is scraping on the ground. As you can see here, it is scraping very deep. So please guys, if your car are lowered like this, please don't drive it. It is just meant for showing signs. So yeah.
I've got a feeling that I cannot explain. You want something different, but I don't want to change. Slowly but surely, you began to fade. Things were finally changing, and I was not afraid. Now that you're gone, it's like I don't have to pretend. Yeah, it's time to move on. We've reached the bittersweet end. I've got a feeling that I cannot explain. You want something different, but I don't want to change. Slowly but surely, you began to fade. Things were finally changing, and I was not afraid.
So guys, that will be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now, because amazing stuff is coming up on the channel, especially the new rims I bought for the car. And please like, share, comment if you have something to say. And remember, stance is not a crime. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.